Hi, I'm Steve Black, Vice President of Sales at State Chemical. The number one question of consumers everywhere is, how much will this cost? Although price is the number one concern we all have before making a purchase, it can sometimes be difficult to find pricing information. This video intends to prevent that difficulty and ease possible frustration. Like many industries, the drain care industry has previously not been as transparent about pricing as everyone would like, but in this video, I will provide information on how much a drain care contract with State Chemical costs and explain what is included when you pay for a drain care agreement, also known as a program agreement. Let's dive into the details and answer some common questions on the subject of pricing, starting with, how much did clients pay for drain care in 2023? State Chemical provided hundreds of new customers with drain maintenance through drain care contracts last year alone. Most State Chemical customers' annual payments fell between this range for drain care contracts. This can be broken down so you can visualize a monthly cost, as well as an average cost per customer per month. A few of our customers spend more, but those are exceptional situations depending on the size and type of drains. Treating a few kitchen drains costs less than maintaining many lift stations in a hospital complex. What am I paying for in a drain care contract? A drain care contract with State Chemical provides you with regular preventative drain maintenance, treating the drains in your facility to prevent backups, reduce pump outs of grease traps, and prevent lift stations from overflowing. The goal is to give the customer peace of mind with worry-free drains that work. A drain care program agreement includes 5 key components: the chemicals, the equipment, usually a drain dosage station that consistently dispenses chemicals, shipping, we ship directly to you, service, which is included in the price, we will change the bucket of chemicals when it's empty or replace the dosing equipment if necessary. And most importantly, inventory management. We will make sure you have the right amount of chemicals to care for your drains. What is not included in the price, and what will my invoice look like? At State Chemical, everything is included in the monthly or quarterly consolidated price on the invoice, except tax. Your invoice will include one consolidated drain maintenance program and a separate line item for tax. What factors determine price? Significant price determinants include the number of drains, the type of chemical used, and the amount of chemical that we dispense into the drain. Different floating degreasers and biological cost distinct amounts. For example, Orange Boy is a more expensive product because the active ingredient, orange oil, is costly and the market for orange oil is volatile. In addition, the more chemicals you dispense per day, the more chemicals you will need to buy as part of the program agreement. Is the price of preventative maintenance worth it? Most of our customers find that preventative maintenance is cheaper than reactive drain maintenance. It's like insurance. You pay up front, but it prevents higher costs down the road. To determine if a preventative drain maintenance contract will be cheaper than reactive drain care, compare the cost of the contract with what you have spent in the past and could spend on reactive drain care. Ask yourself questions such as, how much would an emergency plumber cost if my drain backs up, to determine which is right for you. State Chemical will provide you with worry-free drains that work, giving you peace of mind. Now, take the next step. You can fill out the Contact Us form found in the description of this video or on our website, and a local representative will reach out to get you started on the path towards well-maintained, problem-free drains. If you're looking for more information about the products we sell or the services we provide, go to www.stateindustrial.com. For State Chemical, I'm Steve Black, and my team and I are looking forward to serving your next opportunity.